Well, surprise, surprise, we made a quick decision out of Vacation Village from the video you just saw. And we're here at 9411. This is obviously Pop Century. And this is where we'll actually be spending the week. What do you think?
I like it, even though it's smaller.
It's definitely a smaller room, but it feels so much cleaner.
It's so much cleaner.
So here, pardon the mess already. We just walked in the door, but we have the mini fridge. We've done a full review already of this room in a different building, but little thing here. This will be my desk for the week right here, and possibly my bed for the week, which we'll see in a minute. We got the nightstands in between. This is a full, maybe a queen, based upon how we're talking, and we got the Mickey Mouse artwork up top. On the side, another end table with full plugs, USB and AC outlets. And here's the bathroom. Full-length mirror, single vanity in this one. It's got plenty of storage space in here. The closet with storage space. There it is. And this area right here. This one does have a tub with a sliding glass shower. We'll turn it on. And the toilet area. The hand pumps for that. And yeah, it looks like it may be, this is the wand and the overhead shower right there. So we'll come back out here in the final step. We have the dresser here. A big old TV per the refurb. This is way bigger than the ones over there. And this is a little more storage space with the safe and an extra pillow in case you didn't have enough. And then Brittany hasn't done her job, which is we're gonna pull the chairs out from my office this week. And Brittany, well, apparently it's harder than it looks.
It's not normally.
And here is the second bed right there with Pluto sleeping. Does the light work this time? We'll see. Oh, it does. There's the inside light with Pluto sleeping up bones. So what do you think? Better?
Much better than where we were at. I would not recommend Vacation Village.
No, we're happy to move over here and back in the, as soon as she drove on property, she said, I'm back!
I'm back and I'm home.
Uh-huh. All right.
Sometimes it's hard to quantify the feeling you get with Disney.
But we're definitely back. So we're happy to be here and we're ready to work the week away.
We are. Well, I'm gonna go vacation.
What?
Doug's gonna work.
Oh. All right, back to SeaWorld with us. And the rain looks like it's pushing out finally. And we're gonna head on out. So